I'm Dr. David Antonian, President and Chief Optometrist of Vivid Vision's Optometry, and I'm going to teach you an exercise to strengthen your eyes. Today we're doing an exercise to treat your lazy eye by using an anti-suppression technique. When someone has a lazy eye, one of their eyes is turned outward or inward or is not seeing as clearly as the better eye. The brain chooses to suppress the lazy eye for the person not to see double. This exercise will teach your brain to pay attention to both of your eyes simultaneously at all times and to eliminate any tendencies you have to see with only one eye for brief or prolonged periods.